This video is going to look at Office Lens. Office Lens is a free iOS or Android app made by Microsoft and used to capture information from whiteboard signs, written or typed text, and it can convert this into editable Word documents or other formats such as PDF or just images, and it saves these documents to OneDrive automatically, or you can save them onto your device's storage as well. So it looks like this. I'm going to open it up, and first it opens up as a camera. I'm going to choose the document button to begin with, and I've got a document here, and you just have to take a photo of the document. There we are. And it lets you adjust. It highlights where the document is. It's got a little bit of AI built in. It can recognize the document. I'm going to confirm that that's my document. I could edit the sides. So yeah, that's my document. I'm going to I can rotate it in this menu and click done. And then this allows me to export that somewhere else. So I could choose to export it to a PDF document in my OneDrive. And you'll see I've already got one of these in my OneDrive because I've been testing. And then I'll close this and show you another function. So another function is using a book, right? And the actions button. So we can get it to convert text. So if I open up on the first page of Fantastic Mr. Fox and I click, I'll make sure that I'm away from that worksheet. I take a photo and I am going to confirm. It's extracting my data. And you see straight away I have the text from that picture is now down the bottom in editable form. I can copy that just to a text app on the iPad, or I can share it to somewhere else. Finally, I'll show you one last thing you can do, and that is if we go to the actions button, I need to press this button above and choose read. It will open whatever I put in here into Immersive Reader. Let's see. Let's choose, we're on to chapter 4 here. So it's chosen chapter 4. Confirm. Here we are. It has converted it and I can play it back.
The terrible shovels. Down the hole, Mrs. Fox.
So Office Lens, really useful for you and your learners.